Hey there. In this video, I'll show you how to configure email validation in Supademo so you can allow only business emails and even whitelist or blacklist specific domains. First, add a chapter form to your demo and include an email field. This is the field we'll apply validation rules to. Next, click on the email field in your chapter form to open its settings panel. Here, you can enable the toggle to allow only business emails, blocking any personal email domains automatically. Now scroll down to the domain settings. Here, you can type in the domains you want to whitelist or blacklist. In this example, we'll add a domain to the blacklist so anyone using it can't access your demo. Type the domains you want to block here. For example, I'm adding supademo.com and google.com. If you're adding more than one, just separate them with commas. Then, click the Save button to apply all form configuration changes. Now let's head to the demo view page. When someone tries to enter with a blocked domain, like this email using supademo.com, and clicks Submit, they'll instantly see an error instead of accessing your demo. That's it. With email validation set up, you stay in control while Supademo filters out the noise. Give it a try and keep your demo access sharp and secure.